Wildlife is the heartbeat of our planet, keeping nature balanced and life thriving. Every species, whether big or small, plays an important role. Bees help plants grow through pollination, predators manage animal populations, and scavengers like vultures clean up the environment. However, wildlife across the world is under serious threat. Deforestation, climate change, pollution, and illegal hunting have pushed many species close to extinction. Losing even one species can upset entire ecosystems. That's why conservation-focused wildlife reserves are more important than ever. They protect endangered species, help restore damaged habitats, and raise awareness. By supporting these efforts, we help create a more sustainable future for all. So, welcome to the part 1 of our 2-part journey exploring a unique nature park of Mauritius dedicated to conservation and wildlife. Nestled in the lush tropical south of Mauritius and the town named Rivière-des-Anguilles, La Vanille Nature Park is a unique and immersive ecological sanctuary where wildlife, history, and conservation converge. It was founded in 1985 by biologist Wayne L. Griffiths and his wife Mary Ann, who moved from Australia to Mauritius to launch an environmental initiative. The park's name, La Vanille, comes from an ancient vanilla vine found in the valley where the reserve was built. Originally known as La Vanille Crocodile Park, the conservation-focused wildlife reserve began with 100 Nile crocodiles imported from Madagascar. Over the decades, the park has grown into a 3.5 to 5 hectare oasis of rainforest and refuge, hosting one of the world's most impressive collections of giant tortoises, crocodiles, and rare endemic species. As we entered the park, we are welcomed by the sight of a group of crocodiles lazily sunbathing by the shallow pool, soaking up the warmth in perfect stillness. If you're feeling hungry, there's a cozy snack shop where you can grab a tasty bite to eat. In the reptile section, we come across green iguanas, cold-blooded reptiles that vary in color and size, resting in natural enclosures that mimic their native environment. With spiny crests running along their backs, leathery skin, and slow, graceful movements, they look like miniature dinosaurs. Native to Central and South America, they thrive in the park's warm tropical climate. Their calm nature and striking appearance make them a favorite among visitors. One of the park's most popular residents are the lemurs, especially the ring-tailed lemurs known for their playful behavior and striped tails. Native to Madagascar, these curious primates are a delight to watch as they climb, leap, and interact with each other in their spacious enclosures. Mauritius once had a public and private railway system, with the last passenger train running in 1956 and sugarcane trains continuing until 1981. The train displayed at La Vanille is a Rustem and Hornsby diesel engine, one of the island's last, retired from Shabana Sugar Estate in 1981. La Vanille also houses macaque monkeys. These intelligent social animals can be observed grooming one another, playing, or simply lounging in the sun. One of the more unusual and fascinating residents is the Mauritian fruitbat, also known as the flying fox. These large, gentle bats are the only native mammal species on Mauritius and play a vital role in maintaining healthy forests by pollinating plants and spreading seeds. Visitors can see the fruit bats hanging upside down in their enclosures during the day, often grooming, stretching their wings, or munching on fruit. With wingspan reaching up to 80 cm, their fox-like faces and leather wings make them both striking and memorable. As we continue our journey through the park, we enter the aquarium, a peaceful and fascinating space filled with the vibrant colors of tropical freshwater fishes, including giant gourami, koi fishes, Nile tilapia, sucker catfishes, etc. Shimmering koi fish gliding gracefully through the water, their bright reds, oranges, and whites creating a beautiful underwater dance. The Nile tilapia is a strong and fast-growing freshwater fish that comes from tropical Africa. Keep an eye out for the sleeker fish with their long narrow bodies and sharp teeth. In addition to these species, the park is also home to geckos, making the reserve feel like a small-scale zoo immersed in tropical forest. Vanille Crocodile Park is home to around 2,000 Nile crocodiles, making it one of the largest crocodile reserves in the world. The crocodiles live in shaded lagoons and ponds, surrounded by secure fences, palm groves, and walkways that allow for safe, close-up viewing. Visitors can observe crocodiles of all sizes, from hatchlings to adults reaching up to 4 to 5 meters long. It's a rare chance to witness these ancient predators in action, sunbathing, swimming, or just waiting still with their powerful jaws ready. A major attraction is the Crocodile Feeding Show, held daily at 11:30 a.m., where visitors can watch large crocs leap from the water to catch meat. Smaller feeding sessions for baby crocodiles occur throughout the day. Moreover, visitors can pay a small fee to hold a baby Nile crocodile for a souvenir picture under staff supervision, making it especially popular with children. Our next exciting stop is the Insectarium at Vanille Nature Park. It is a major highlight of the reserve and one of the largest private insect collections in the world. It was built around the life's work of local entomologist Jacques Sidlecki, who spent over 30 years collecting rare and exotic insects from around the globe. Today, the Insectarium houses approximately 30,000 specimens, representing more than 20,000 species, including dazzling butterflies, jewel-like beetles, massive moths, stick insects, and other unique creepy crawlies from all 5 continents. The collection is presented in beautifully arranged display cases and climate-controlled halls, where visitors can explore insects by region, type, and color. Rare and even extinct specimens are included, offering a glimpse of vanished biodiversity. The exhibits are thoughtfully arranged thematically, showcasing vibrant butterflies, formidable beetles, and other fascinating insects from regions such as Amazon, Madagascar, and Southeast Asia. The exhibits are both scientific and visually stunning, often described as a rainbow of colors, due to the vivid patterns and hues of the insects on display. The Insectarium is an important part of the park's tours. Staff and occasionally Sidleki himself explain the significance of the collection, sharing stories about where specific specimens came from and why they matter. The exhibit also uses interactive tools to teach visitors about insect anatomy, life cycles, and their ecological roles. The Hungry Crocodile restaurant, known locally as Le Crocodile Affamé, is renowned for its exotic menu, featuring a variety of Mauritian dishes and specialty crocodile meat preparations. Visitors can sample dishes like smoked crocodile salad, breaded crocodile with mixed greens, crocodile kebabs served over spiced rice, and sweet and sour crocodile accompanied by Cantonese rice. For those preferring traditional fare, the menu also includes options such as pasta, burgers, pizza, and ham and cheese toasties, etc. The restaurant settings, surrounded by towering trees and overlooking a forested valley, provides a tranquil backdrop for meals. In this part, we discovered the park's incredible range of wildlife, from majestic iguana to powerful Nile crocodile, explored the fascinating insectarium filled with rare and exotic species, and wrapped up our adventure with a delicious stop at the La Affamé Crocodile restaurant, where nature and flavor come together. But the journey doesn't end here. In part 2, we'll explore the fossil museum, the home of giant tortoises, and also explore the fascinating history of the dodo, the legendary lost bird of Mauritius, and more. Thanks for joining us on this first part of the adventure through La Vanille Nature Park. Tap the eye icon in the top corner to watch part 2 of our La Vanille Nature Park tour, or check the link in the description or end screen. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Drop a comment below with your favorite part of the park. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.